Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Have you ever looked at your kitchen counter and wished you could just throw away half of your appliances to get that space back? We have all been there, dealing with a toaster, an air fryer, and a convection oven taking up way too much room. Today, I am taking a deep dive into the ROBAM CT766, which is an all-in-one toaster, air fryer, and steam oven combo that promises to change how you cook. Let us start with the footprint and the build. This unit packs a 1.2 cubic foot interior, which is actually quite impressive for a countertop device. It feels substantial without being completely overwhelming for a standard kitchen. The real magic here is the combination of steam and convection heating. Most air fryers dry out your food because they rely entirely on superheated air. By introducing steam, this unit keeps your proteins moist and tender while still using that 1800-watt heating system to give you a crispy exterior. The digital interface is very intuitive. It features 32 built-in preset recipes that handle everything from simple toast to complex seafood and desserts. One feature that really caught my eye is the multi-stage cooking capability. This allows you to set the machine to steam, then bake, and then air fry in a single cycle. Think about baking a loaf of bread or a cake. You get that initial moisture boost for the rise, followed by a perfect bake and a golden brown crust at the end. It takes the guesswork out of baking and leaves you with results that feel professional. When it comes to the pros, the versatility is the clear winner. Being able to replace 3 or 4 separate machines with one sleek unit is a major win for organization. The precise temperature control ensures you are not burning your food, and the steam function genuinely improves the texture of meats and vegetables. It is healthier, faster, and honestly quite fun to use once you master the presets. On the flip side, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because this is a multifunctional powerhouse, there is a bit of a learning curve compared to a basic toaster. You will need to make sure you keep the water reservoir filled if you are using the steam functions regularly. Also, while it is a large capacity unit, it is still a countertop appliance, so do not expect to roast a massive 20-pound turkey in here. It is perfect for families, but manage your expectations for large holiday gatherings. In conclusion, the ROBAM CT766 is a sophisticated piece of kitchen hardware that punches well above its weight class. If you are tired of clutter and you want to elevate your home cooking with steam technology, this is a very strong contender. It effectively bridges the gap between a standard air fryer and a professional convection oven. It is efficient, it looks great on the counter, and it delivers on the promise of better textures for your daily meals. If you are interested in picking one up, check out the details below. Link in the description.